Has the bull run started? Bitcoin just broke nearly $29,000 this morning and is continuing nearly every single day to make new highs. What is going on with the crypto market? Why are we pumping so much? Are we going to correct, or are we going straight to $1 million? In this video, we're going to be breaking down the Bitcoin price through technical analysis, and I'm going to be telling you my thoughts right now. And if you guys love cryptocurrencies, make sure you smash up that like button and subscribe with notifications on, because you do not want to be missing these time-sensitive videos. So most importantly, what we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is that Bitcoin has made a massive move over the last week or so, and we have seen a move from top to bottom 45%. Honestly, this is crazy. It's such a huge move. But here is the thing, ladies and gentlemen, after pumping up so much, there's going to be a lot of volatility this week regarding inflation. We have the FOMC meeting. There's going to be a lot of things that could change this thing and turn this thing around very quickly. We could see a big crash this week, or we can see a continuation of this bullish move. Most importantly, honestly, I'm going to give you my true opinion. I am thinking personally, and I could be totally wrong, that Bitcoin is probably and extremely likely to correct from here. This is a bearish pattern called the 3 drives pattern, which when you see 3 moves that are topping out on this resistance level, they ultimately will re-end starting from here with some type of healthy correction. Especially if we take a look at the altcoin market, in which we can do so by taking a look at Ethereum, we can see Ethereum and a lot of the altcoins, they weren't making higher highs like Bitcoin was. They weren't breaking out. No, they were creating lower highs, getting rejected, double tops. And if we zoom out, we can see that Ethereum did not break the same highs that it did in August last year that Bitcoin did. And we are creating lower highs for the altcoin market, which shows me that the strength of this current Bitcoin run is coming likely to an end. Personally, I think Bitcoin is probably going to retest this level here of about 25,300, 25,200, depending on the exchange that you are looking at. I'm thinking ultimately Bitcoin will probably soon correct to this level. This is where I'm looking to potentially enter into long positions, be buying Bitcoin, but I would love to certainly see a lower correction, possibly all the way down to about $22,000, which is a current CME gap. A lot of these CME gaps, I think 100% of the time they are filled. We have a CME gap here. The CME gap actually that we've been holding for a long time actually got filled. Look at this. The CME gap at 28,000 all the way up to this current level was filled almost exactly to the very number today. Look at this. This was the top of the move today. If we go all the way to here, this was the entry, almost the exact point of the CME gap. It wasn't 100% filled, so there's still a little bit of gap, which could be filled today, could be filled over the next couple of days, or maybe in the next coming weeks or months. But I ultimately think before we head up, we feel this inefficiency here, which is the Bitcoin CME gap. It may or may not happen. We could go straight to 60,000 or whatever, but honestly, I think that there will be a correction before we have that next move up to about $30,000 and beyond. Make sure you guys are using my Algo Sniper trading indicator, which tells you exactly when to buy and sell any cryptocurrency. Look at this. It gave us the exact buy alert for Bitcoin before Bitcoin took off this week. Look at that, or last week. Look at this. It gave us the buy right at the very bottom. It gave us a sell alert to take profits in another re-entry. This is insane. You guys can try Algo Sniper for free at algosniper.com. And if you want to copy my trades, get my trade alerts, join my Patreon, my crypto trading community, and make sure you guys are trading over on Bybit, where you can claim a $30,000 deposit bonus and trade with 0 fees only by using my link in the video description. If you are in the US, you will need to use a VPN. Thank you so much for sticking around to the end of this video. If you got something out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing, and notifications on it. I'll see you later.